Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the control knob on your washer. The reason why you would have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So you can see here on our washer, we've got several control knobs. One of them is missing, however. So grab your new OEM replacement control knob, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So you can see right here on this knob, there's a flat side, and you'll take a look on the back of your control knob, and there's a D-shaped hole. So you're going to line up the flat side inside of the control knob, and you're just going to push that straight on, and now you can turn it back and forth, and it works just like that. So I tried to find a dirty laundry joke to tell you, but turns out they always come out clean. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.